So, hi everyone. I'm excited to introduce to the Odoo MCP that connects with Claude Desktop. I will show you the core features. So I have two instances set up here, and it's both are like identical databases. Like one is named as prod and the other one is named as test. So it's currently running in my local system. So to set up this, go to config. So I have a local.json. So let me just open that, and you can see that I have mentioned the database name. In this case, it will be prod and the passwords. So I will just uh, duplicate that, name this one as prod.json and the other one as test.json. And I will just change the name here as test. Now, I'll just walk you through the whole what Claude can actually do. So let me just log in here and here as well. So the test instance is neutralized and the production is non-neutralized so that it is easy for everyone to view it easily. Let me show what are the products that are there. Like there's the demo data. So only those products are as of now present. And so all you have to do is come into Claude Desktop and let's ask what are the available instances. So it runs through a bunch of code and it gives you all the three of these things. So this is the one that we use as of now for the company. And these are the two test instances. So there are currently, so you can see it automatically switched to prod instance and it is doing a query and you can see it is listing out the products. So you can see it does a list of the products. Can you stop? You can see it is automatically looking for stock.quant. It's doing the search. Okay. So now let us ask it to create a product. So you can see it is actually pulling the prices as well. So now let's go and verify if it has created a product. So let's look for iPhone. So it has created the product here, and it has mapped the prices, and it looks like it has used the Indian currency, so it is showing in rupees. So now let's do some complicated stuff. Can you create a So first it will try to create the customer, and it is now looking for, you can see it is looking for the product lamp, and it has created sale order quotation number 025. So let's go and see there. Yep, it has done that. So okay, so let's get on to the analytics of it. Can you get so we are asking to confirm those quotes. So you can see what we gave is just we didn't mention the wholesale order number. We just mentioned it as 25, 5, and 2. So it has basically gone and confirmed those sales orders. And 2, 25, and yeah, 5 has been confirmed. So now, can you give me a bar chart of sales by salesperson? So you can see it is actually plotting the data, pulling the data from Odoo. So you can see it has made a chart as well. So so far we have just worked on one instance. So now let's switch to can you switch to the test instance 2? Switch to test. Okay, so now I want to compare the customer information that is there in prod and test. You can see in the prod, like they have it identifies that there is a new customer. So when you create the missing customer in test, well, let me just send it again. Yeah. So this is one easy way to sync up data if needed. So you can switch between multiple instances. So you don't need to have a single configuration. So you can have multiple configurations. So uh, you can have, for example, a production, a test, and a staging environment. So you can just connect with those things and interact it. And so can you create invoices for the sale orders that are confirmed, then prod. So it should list all the sales orders that are confirmed, and it will try to create an invoice for those things. So this would actually simplify most of the work. Uh, but the ideal way of using it is for more kind of an analytics point of view. It does do small tasks that are needed. So it's going through multiple functions to see if we could create an invoice. It's asking for additional permissions. So it says that it cannot create the invoice since it's in looks like the subfunction is a a private function which cannot be called through XML RPC. So it cannot do that. And all these things works based on the user access. So like whatever the username and the password that they give, only that can be those apps or those views only can be accessed. Uh, so can you send it as an email? As an email. Let's try it out. So it's doing a summary of what it has done so far. Is my So it should ideally continue from the instance where it left off. So it's doing a sales analysis. So it's actually building a dashboard. Oh, okay. This is something new that I'm seeing. It has done a good dashboard. So you can see it is also pulling up as a summary with the total sales, the number of orders based on the salesperson wise and whatnot. So it is also doing a wow, like it is giving ideas for upselling as well. So can you give me products I'm not selling much? So it's listing out all the products that are not being sold. So it's also giving ideas to, uh, increase the sales as well. So this is one of the importance of this tool. So it is currently limited to working with uh, Claude Desktop as of now. So Anyone with a Claude a desktop access, they can connect their Odoo instance and they can try this out. Thank you.